Tactics now. Tactics. Do not kick his quad over.
He's actually too nice a guy. I don't think he'd have any tactics.
Okay. Nice and quiet in the pits, please. Goggles down, thumbs up. Pilots, arm your quads as we go live on the tone in less than 5. Go! Okay, there we go. 3 pilots through the start finish. Just bring them out this first complete lap, and then we'll start looking. Okay, here comes BMS Somers.
Traffic coming up. 3,
Wedge.
2, 1. You're on him now.
Okay, comes in with a 10.090. BMS Somers, Houdini 24, Wedge 21373.
Good track.
Okay, BMS Somers sub 10 again, 9.870. We want to see 3 sub 10s here from BMS Somers, and he will improve on his position or times. Okay, here we go, another sub 10. BMS Somers 9.799. Can you give us one more?
Traffic coming up, okay? Hold slow in. 3, 2, 1. You're going to be on him any minute.
And there it goes with a 9.520. You saw it here first, guys. You saw it here first. Top 3 consecutive of sub 30 seconds. 29.189. Is he going to give us 4? Oh, he's so professional, this guy. He's so professional. Okay, Wedge with a 15.376. No movement here with the other 2 pilots. Houdini with a 19.519. Still no movement there. And BMS Somers just going out for a day's drive with a 13.323. Enjoying the scenery.
What was it?
It's okay, I made it through safe, so we'll see how we go the last one.
He helped you fix the gate.
Okay, Houdini with a 20.821.
You would have half a gate otherwise.
And a Wedge with an 18.979. Still no movement there with these guys, but they're all flying well.